compilers and interpreters explained for SDETs and automation engineers. Different programming languages run code in different ways. That's where compilers and interpreters come into play. A compiler takes all the code that you wrote and then translates it into a language that the machine understands, machine code. And this happens before any of your code is actually ran. Think of it like you buy a new book and it gets translated before you read any page inside the book. So I bought a book that's in Spanish, but I'm getting it translated to English before I start reading anything at all inside that book. Languages like C and C++ use compilers. That way it builds all your code and then executes it. And that lets you catch bugs before it's executed. An interpreter is different. Instead of doing the whole translation in advance, it does it line by line. So instead of translating your whole book in advance, it's going to go line by line out loud as you're reading it. Languages such as Python and JavaScript practice this. For QA engineers and SDETs, this is very important because languages like Python and JavaScript are very popular for automation. And these languages are faster to test and easier to debug, leading to writing test scripts in a more efficient manner. Quick break. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need help on your software testing and development journey, check out my website, thetestinglead.com. I have books and courses to help you along your way. Now, back to the video. So just to recap, remember, a compiler combines all of your code in advance and translates it to a language that the machine understands, while an interpreter interprets each line by line as you go. And this is important for things such as catching bugs and the speed of your actual program execution. Next up, YouTube thinks you should watch this video over here or this one over here. But most importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.